Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to create today. You see it's really great and we can create it easily. At first we need to do what? We need to add a new slide. In our new slide you need to set the background. For the background we format the background and you see I add the picture, and then in the picture corrections I do nothing. This is the picture of Mount Fuji, I think, and it's great. Now we need to create our rectangles. Our rectangles, I created one. Okay, you see it is not looking like this. How we can make that to look like this? At first we need to remove the shape outline, then we need to set the shadows to the inner shadows, and then we need to give it some glow. We are going with green glow, and we are changing the color of this to this color or this color. I like it. Then we create a 3D copy of that and copy the text. This text just overdrive sunset text, nothing special. Let me just increase the size and change it to white. Okay, I like it to be white. Copy paste. Copy paste. Now we need to color them up. For these colors I'm going to go with something much brighter and much happier. Then we need to align them, bring this to front, copy that here. In the first is select all of them, align them center, align them middle. Now set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, you may find many of these transitions in my channel. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice